So this is day 3 of working on the lightsaber. Everything's going good. I figured that I would post some sort of a little update. I have hit it with filler primer twice now. I'm about to hit it with its second round of sanding, but all of the pieces are looking pretty good. I've gone in and cleaned up a lot of these holes. The one piece that popped off and hit me in the eye in my last update, that problem got resolved. I was able to get it in, but I had to run it under water to get it to pop off. Just take my word for it, it fits. Super excited to get it all put together, get it all painted, get it all in color, and share some pictures and some videos of what the final product looks like. I appreciate everybody that's been watching the videos. If you know, are enjoying them, that's why I'm making them, because I love to watch videos of this kind of stuff, so I figured I'd share what I'm doing with the world. Oh, I've been sanding with 320 grit sandpaper. I don't know if that would be useful for anybody that does come across this and is trying to figure out how I'm doing it, if they like the way that my stuff looks and they're wanting to know how I'm doing. I am hitting this with filler primer, then sanding it with 320 grit. After 320, I was going to 400. I was doing a wet sand with 400, and then 800, 1,000, and then 1,500 is where I've been stopping, just in case anybody was wanting to know what the sandpaper process is that I'm using. When I first started finishing my 3D prints, I had a really difficult time because I was either using too high of grit or too low of grit, so I figured maybe that would be useful information to somebody who's just getting into finishing 3D prints. I have found that starting with 320 after the filler primer, it's a pretty good place to start. So, but yeah, I appreciate all the love. I'll see you guys soon.